Hello and welcome. We are going to be doing a few problems, just three, from page 275 in the Kaplan book. And we're going to be talking about a type of percentage question called percent of change. This is not a huge deal on the GED or the HISET, but this is a topic where if you know what you're doing and you understand the question, you will 100% get these right. So it's worth it to take the time to go over this concept. So percent of change, how is that different from a regular percentage question? Well, a regular percentage question asks you like, 15 students in a class are female and there's 24 students in a class, what percent of them were female? And the numbers that they're giving you in the question are generally the numbers you're going to use to set up your proportion. The difference with percent of changes, your proportion looks a little bit different. You're going to have these four parts to it, and this is going to be what your proportion looks like, because you're trying to find what is the percent that an item changed in price. Generally, this has to do with money. So we're going to talk about changes in price. It could be changes in weight if somebody's on a diet or if they gained weight. It could be changes in anything. But you're putting the amount of change over whatever it started as, whether it's weight or price or height or something like that. So you're finding the percentage that's equal to the change, not the percentage that necessarily is coming out of the question. So we're going to do this one on my computer first, and then we're going to do these three in Kaplan. So here's a good example. If a TV is on sale for $285 and it was $380, what percent did you save? Okay, so you're looking for a percent of change. You're looking for how much you saved. What do you call it when you save money? Well, it's a discount. So we have a discount going on here. So we're going to set up our four spots right off the bat. We know we're looking for the percent that it changed, and we know that this is going to be 100% down here. So far, so good. We know the starting price was 380. So 380 goes down here. The big mistake is people want to put the 285 on top, but the 285 is not how much it changed. The only way to find out how much it changed is to take 380 and subtract the 285. When you do that on a calculator or by hand, this is going to borrow, that's a 7, that's a 10. So you're going to have 5. You're going to borrow again to 17, 9, 0. The change is $95. That's what's tricky about these questions. Other than that, they're easy. So the amount it changed was $95. Once you have these three, again, cross multiply, 95 times 100, divide by 380, get your answer. So calculator time. 95 times 100. Oh, I guess you got to turn your calculator on. 95 times 100 equals 9,500 divided by 380 is 25. So you saved 25%. You got it as 25% off. Great. All right, no problem. So we're going to run through three problems in the Kaplan book and do the same thing. We're going to put the amount of change equal to the percent of change over starting price over 100. All right, number 5, here we go. Find the percent of increase from $25 to 30. So here's our problem. We're going from 25 to $30. Set up our four spaces. We want the percent of change from this to this. Okay, we know we have 100%. And if you want to pause and try this, try it. See if we get the same answer. We're looking for the percent of change. The starting price was $25. So that's what goes down here. Now, what is the amount of change? It's not $30. 25 to 30 is a change of $5. Once you have it set up right, cross multiply, divide, get your answer. 5 times 100 is 500 divided by 25. It's a 20% change. And there's your answer. it increased 20% because it went up. So that's number 5. Try number 6 and then hit pause now, try number 6, and then check your work with me. All right, so let's try number 6. What is the percent of decrease from 500 to 340? So we're going from 500 and we are decreasing now to 340. So we're talking about a percent of change. We're talking about a decrease. Set up your 4 spaces. 100%. We're looking for the percentage, so we're putting an X there. 500 was the original price. How much change happened here? So 500 minus 340 is how much it changed. That's going to be 160. So that is how much it changed. That's the number that you put there. Now you're going to cross multiply, divide, and get your answer. So 160 times 100 is 16,000 divided by 500. You get 32. Yeah. So X equals a change of 32%. It went down, so it's a 32% decrease. Anytime it goes down, it's a decrease. Up is an increase. All right. So we're getting there. We're getting there. Let's look at another one. Number 12, last one. David bought a computer game on sale for $36. So 36 is the sale price. Okay. The game was originally $48. So $48 was the original or the starting price. That was the original price. And then the question is, what was the percent of decrease in the game's price? So it went from 48 down to 36. So 48 is the original. That is equal to your 100% starting. You're looking for the percentage again. And it went from 48 to 36. That is a $12 change. So 12 is what you're putting up here. You might already be able to know 12 out of 48 is what percent if you're good at your multiplication tables. But either way, 12 times 100 divided by 48. 12 times 100 is 1200 divided by 48 is 25%. It went down 25% or it was 25% off. Anyway, that's percent of change. That's how it works. Good luck. And for your sake, I hope you get a question or two that is like this, because these are relatively straightforward and easy once you know how to do them. Anyway, good luck.